Lemon Eruption. What do we need? Let's get started. Take a lemon. Ensure it is not cold or frozen. Ask an adult to cut it in half. Take one half and place it on the tray. Add 2 to 3 drops of any color. Add 2 scoops of baking soda onto the lemon. Mash the baking soda into the lemon using the spatula. Squeeze the remaining half of the lemon over the mashed one. Did you see a fizzy reaction occur inside the lemon? Scientific explanation. Lemon juice is acidic. When it comes in contact with a basic chemical like baking soda, a reaction takes place in which bubbles of carbon dioxide are released. This same kind of bubbles can be observed when a soda bottle is opened.